So how do we put this shelf on this truck and make sure we put it in the right place so we don't have to put all our stuff on here and then you go to put it in the back of the truck and the bottom doesn't sit on the bottom because it sits on the rails. So that's why I'm going to tell you how to show you. We'll go step by step of how to install this shelf. Make sure that you get it on the right height, not too high, not too low, not too whatever. And that way we will drill it in. We'll show you everything you need to do to be able to, if you need to put one of these skids together. We are building a whole skid here, and we're going to show you how to do each step by step and make sure that you're able to do this. And so this is one of the steps that we need to do to make sure that you are able to get this done properly and ready to rock and roll. So again, this is how to put a shelf on. I'm Jason Guyman. I'm here to help you grow your business, be successful, and change your life. So let's see how this is going to go on together. Oh, all right. So the first thing is you want to measure the truck. So you can see here that we are about 23.5 inches to the top of the truck bed here. So we would not want to put this right on there because, you know, I would probably go about 24.5 inches above that here. And so this is on the Chevy. And if we go over here to the Ford, you're going to see that it is only 21.5 inches. So 20 inches is about where we are. So that is the difference between if you're in a Ford or the Chevy. And so there is no, you know, one way to say one's better than the other. So this is important that you make sure you measure. And if you have two trucks and you might have a Ford and a Chevy, I would go and measure them to make sure that you are getting the right measurement before you start drilling your holes and making that go. Now, once we get done measuring the truck, we want to come in here and measure from the base to wherever our measurement is. I would give or take a little bit. It don't have to be sitting right on top of it. I would probably go up a little bit so that way as things work, you need to make support, you can put a little shims under it, but it should support itself. And so what we want to do is we want to measure from right here. So we want to measure from here, and obviously in this video you want to make sure you got the right truck. If you've got two trucks, you're going to slide it in and out. You want to go to the higher truck to make sure that it is good. So on that truck it was 19.5. So I would probably go 20.5 inches. And if you come over here, you can see that we got it marked right here at 20 inches. And so we need to move this shelf up. And so we're going to work on moving this shelf up. Let's see, what do we got here?
A little bit under 20.
Right at 20-ish, yep. Give it a little love tap. Sometimes you gotta give it more love tap. 20 inches. Let's see, what we have over here. 20 inches, looks good. Let's drill it. Do we want to put that on, or you don't think it'll move? So it don't move. So we're going to put these clamps on here just to put them on, just to make sure that this thing does not move. We don't want it to move any. Where's the other clamp at? This is like doing anything, you can't find nothing. I've never done that in my life. Again, this is just making sure that we got our 20 inches and it ain't moving. All right, so next we're going to drill the holes in. We'll drill all the way through. It's just aluminum, so it shouldn't be too bad. Go ahead and measure it one more time to make sure that for some reason it didn't get messed up. $20 inches, that's where we want. All right, we'll go ahead and drill the other hole. You want me to drill one?
That side first, go ahead and do that one.
Yeah, we can do this one. Yeah. Oh yeah, that definitely want to do good. So obviously we got the shelf mounted. We got it made sure that our height is right for our bed. We wanted to make sure that it was even, and we got it in. We will be putting flat washers on here because it gives us a bigger surface area to help so this doesn't have a chance of pulling off. Because when you get these hose reels on here, or you get the motor on the other side, it does get a lot of weight on here, but this should hold it no problem as you're driving down the road. And so this here is how you can install shelving onto the side of your skid. Again, we do have another shelf coming to that side, it's just not here yet. And so once we get it, we'll be putting it on also. But you can see this is what it looks like. So if you stay tuned, you'll be able to watch and see. I'll have a whole playlist of videos for this skid being built and showing where everything goes in the final when it is all done. Hope to see you in my next video.